Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we make home projects easier, smarter, and way more fun. Today, I'm counting down the 10 best DIY tools that will save you time, effort, and maybe even a little frustration. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Painting high or awkward spaces often requires balancing on ladders or stretching uncomfortably, which can slow down progress and compromise safety. The Foxtrot Multi-Angle Paintbrush Extender is designed to address this challenge by attaching to an extension pole, allowing brushes, rollers, or scrapers to reach ceilings, corners, and stairwells more easily. It accommodates brushes between 1 and 3 inches, making it versatile for different tasks. A key feature is its rotating head, which adjusts up to 160 degrees, enabling users to paint in horizontal, vertical, or angled positions without losing control. The secure handle grip helps maintain stability, reducing the likelihood of uneven strokes. By minimizing the need to climb repeatedly, the extender can make painting projects more efficient while maintaining precision. For DIY enthusiasts or homeowners tackling interior or exterior jobs, this tool provides a practical way to improve coverage in hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. The Besnil 4-piece nail setter set is a small group of hand tools made for detailed work. It includes a dual-head nail setter, a dual-head center punch, a hammerless cold chisel, and a hinge pin remover punch. Each tool is short and compact, so they fit well in tight spaces. They're made from strong carbon steel and have a finish that resists rust. The tools use a spring-loaded design, which means you do not need a hammer. You press down and the tool delivers a sharp impact. The nail setters help mark or sink nails neatly. The center punch makes clear marks on wood or metal. The cold chisel can remove small rivets or screws. The hinge pin remover makes it easy to take out door pins without damage. This set is useful for carpentry, metalwork, and home repair projects. Number 3. The UUP roll-up tool bag is made from strong Oxford fabric with a PVC coating inside. It has rust-resistant zippers, sturdy straps, and reinforced stitching, which makes it durable and water-resistant. The material is designed to have a lower smell and is safe to use. This organizer has 4 large fixed compartments, 2 small detachable pouches with D-rings, and 5 outside pockets. It can hold screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, ratchets, and other tools. The removable pouches are useful for keeping small items like nails, sockets, or gear separate so they are easy to find. When rolled up, the bag becomes compact and saves space. It is simple to carry in a car, truck, boat, motorcycle, or even a bicycle. This makes it practical for travel, work, or emergency situations where you need tools close at hand. Number 4. The 12-inch paint edger and trim guard is a straight-edge tool designed to create clean paint lines without the need for painter's tape. It uses a rigid stainless steel blade that stays firm while guiding the brush, helping to reduce paint bleed and keep edges sharp. This makes it useful for painting along ceilings, baseboards, door frames, and window trim. The handle is made from lightweight ABS plastic and shaped for comfort, so it can be held securely during long painting sessions without causing strain. Its slim profile allows it to fit into tight spaces, making it versatile for different projects. The stainless steel blade resists rust and corrosion, while the handle is durable enough for repeated use. After painting, the tool can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. It is a practical option for anyone who wants straight, professional-looking lines with less preparation. Number 5. The Billetools Insulated Screwdriver and Pliers set is designed for electrical work where safety and durability are important. The set includes several VD-certified screwdrivers in different sizes, both slotted and Phillips, along with a voltage test screwdriver. It also comes with 4 types of pliers: long-nose pliers, diagonal cutters, combination pliers, and water pump pliers. The screwdrivers are made from chromium vanadium steel with hardened tips and a protective surface finish. The pliers are forged and tempered for strength, making them suitable for repeated use. Each tool is insulated to provide protection up to 1000 volts, meeting VDE and GS safety standards. The screwdriver blades have magnetic tips, which help hold screws in place during work. Ergonomic handles give a secure grip and reduce hand strain. This set is useful for electricians, workshop tasks, and home projects where reliable insulated tools are needed. Number 6. The Haystronica Self-Adjusting Wire Stripper is a 3-in-1 tool that can strip, cut, and crimp wires. It is designed for electrical work at home or in workshops, making it useful for both technicians and DIY projects. The blades are made from alloy steel that has been heat-treated and polished, giving them strength and durability. This tool works with a wide range of wire sizes, from 10 to 24 AWG, covering copper, aluminum, coaxial, and cable wires. The self-adjusting feature means the tool adapts automatically to the wire size, so there is no need for manual adjustments. This helps save time and ensures clean, accurate stripping. The handle is covered with rubber for comfort and grip, making it easier to use during longer tasks. With its simple design and multiple functions, this wire stripper provides a practical solution for everyday electrical jobs. Number 7. The Kaiweets voltage tester is a safe tool for checking electricity without touching wires directly. When it finds voltage, the tip lights up and makes a beeping sound. A red light means a live wire with high voltage. A green light means a neutral wire with low voltage. The closer the tester is to the source, the stronger the signal, and the faster the beeps. It can measure both low and standard voltage, from 12 volts up to 1000 volts. You can adjust the sensitivity for small jobs like doorbells or thermostats. The screen shows the strength of the signal with numbers and a bar graph. This tester meets international safety standards and is double insulated. It also has a flashlight for dark areas, a low battery warning, and it turns off by itself after 5 minutes. Small and pocket-sized, it is useful for both electricians and homeowners. Number 8. The self-adjusting wrench set includes 2 wrenches, one measuring 10 inches and the other 15 inches. These tools are designed to grip different sizes of nuts and bolts without needing manual adjustment. The jaws automatically adapt to the size of the fastener, which makes them useful for plumbing, mechanical repairs, and general household tasks. The larger wrench provides extra leverage for bigger fittings, while the smaller one is easier to handle in tight spaces. Both are built with durable materials to withstand repeated use. The design helps reduce slipping and provides a firm grip, which can make jobs faster and safer. Because they adjust on their own, these wrenches are practical for anyone who wants fewer tools but more flexibility. They are suitable for pipes, fittings, and bolts of varying sizes, making them a versatile addition to a toolkit for home or professional use. Number 9. The Amazon Basics Locking Adjustable Wrench is a versatile hand tool designed for auto repair, plumbing, and general maintenance. Measuring 10 inches in length, it features both inch and metric scales, making it suitable for different types of fasteners. The wrench is made from drop-forged, heat-treated carbon steel, giving it strength and durability. A corrosion-resistant finish helps protect the tool during regular use. The slide jaw and worm gear are precision machined, allowing smooth adjustment and a secure fit on nuts and bolts. A quick-release locking mechanism holds the jaw in place, providing stability while you work. The maximum clamping diameter is 1.25 inches, which covers a wide range of common fittings. Compact dimensions of 10 by 2.7 by 0.75 inches make it easy to handle and store. This wrench is practical for everyday repairs and offers reliable performance across different tasks. Number 10. The CalmAware 20-volt cordless drill is a versatile power tool designed for home improvement and DIY projects. It features 2 variable speeds, ranging from 0 to 350 revolutions per minute for driving screws and 0 to 1,300 revolutions per minute for drilling holes. An adjustable clutch with 25+1 positions provides precise control, helping prevent overdriving or damaging screws. The drill delivers up to 266 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for different materials and tasks. A 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery powers the drill, with a fast charger that restores full charge in about an hour. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows quick bit changes by hand, while a forward and reverse switch makes it easy to drive or remove screws. An LED light improves visibility in darker spaces. The kit includes 34 accessories such as drill bits, screwdriver bits, sleeves, and extension tools, all stored in a compact case for convenience.